Have you ever wondered how a simple pinch of herbs can elevate your meals from ordinary to extraordinary? What if I told you that with a few creative hacks, you could unlock the full potential of these culinary wonders, transforming your everyday dishes into masterpieces? Herbs have been used for centuries to add both flavor and medicinal benefits to food, yet many people don't explore their full potential. Imagine being able to add complexity to a dish with just a handful of fresh basil, or give your roasted chicken an aromatic lift with rosemary. What's exciting is that these little green wonders can do more than just flavor your food. They can take your entire cooking experience to a new level of creativity. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who's just starting out in the kitchen, using herbs in inventive ways will transform how you cook. Herbs are the unsung heroes of the kitchen. From basil to thyme, parsley to rosemary, these fragrant, flavorful plants add depth, color, and vibrancy to your meals. But many people struggle with how to use herbs effectively, often facing challenges like keeping them fresh or figuring out the best ways to incorporate them into their cooking. It's easy to buy a bundle of herbs, use a pinch or two, and then watch the rest wilt away in your fridge, wasted. Beyond storage, many people find themselves limited in their creativity when it comes to using herbs, resorting to sprinkling them on top of dishes without realizing the full spectrum of possibilities. It doesn't have to be this way. By learning a few simple tricks, you can extend the life of your herbs and unlock flavors in your cooking that you never thought possible. Common challenges with herbs. One of the most frequent struggles home cooks face is how to store herbs properly. You buy a beautiful bunch of cilantro or parsley, use a little for one recipe, and before you know it, they wilt away in the fridge. Herbs are also delicate and can lose their potency quickly if not stored properly, leaving you with lackluster flavor. Another challenge is simply not knowing how to use them beyond the basics. It's easy to sprinkle some chopped basil over pasta, but how do you incorporate herbs in more creative and exciting ways? Whether you're trying to preserve their freshness or find new ways to enhance your meals, dealing with herbs can sometimes feel like a culinary puzzle. Fortunately, a few creative herb hacks can resolve these common issues, making herb use a breeze in any kitchen. Creative herb hacks to transform your cooking. 1. Freezing herbs in olive oil. This is a game changer for preserving herbs and adding flavor to your dishes. Instead of letting leftover herbs go to waste, chop them up, place them in an ice cube tray, and cover them with olive oil. Once frozen, these cubes can be popped into soups, sauces, or even sautéed veggies. The oil preserves the herb's freshness and adds a richness to your dishes that will have everyone asking for your secret. Plus, the combination of oil and herbs melds together beautifully when heated, releasing more flavor than fresh herbs alone. The frozen cubes also give you portion control, so you don't overuse herbs and oil in a dish. Imagine the convenience of always having pre-prepped flavor bombs ready to go at your fingertips. 2. Make your own herb-infused oils. Herb-infused oils are a fantastic way to add a burst of flavor to anything from salads to roasted vegetables. You can create your own at home by gently heating olive oil with your favorite herbs, such as rosemary, thyme, or oregano, and letting it steep. Strain out the herbs once the oil cools, and you'll have a flavorful, aromatic oil that can last for weeks in your pantry. These oils can transform a basic meal into something special with just a drizzle. The infusion process helps concentrate the flavor, making it stronger than using fresh or dried herbs alone. Whether you're making a simple vinaigrette or sautéing fish, a few drops of herb-infused oil can elevate the entire dish. 3. Herb-infused butter. Another delightful way to incorporate herbs into your meals is by creating herb-infused butter. Softened butter mixed with fresh chopped herbs, such as parsley, chives, and dill, makes for a delicious spread that you can slather on bread, melt over vegetables, or even use to baste meats while cooking. Herb butter is also fantastic for spreading under the skin of a chicken before roasting, infusing every bite with flavor. The butter locks in moisture while the herbs permeate the meat. You can even roll the butter into logs, refrigerate or freeze them, and slice off pieces as needed for cooking or serving. This hack ensures you have a versatile, flavorful addition to any meal at all times. 4. Use herbs to enhance unexpected dishes. Herbs aren't just for savory dishes. Fresh herbs like mint and basil can elevate sweet dishes too. For instance, adding a little chopped mint to a fruit salad can enhance its freshness, while basil pairs beautifully with strawberries or watermelon for a refreshing dessert. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs in unexpected ways. For example, rosemary can bring a surprising depth of flavor to a chocolate dessert, while thyme adds an aromatic touch to baked goods like scones or muffins. Infusing herbs into syrups or sugars can also be a creative way to incorporate them into cocktails or baking. The versatility of herbs in sweet and savory combinations can truly surprise your palate. Spotlight hack: the herb-infused honey. One particularly impressive herb hack is herb-infused honey. Imagine drizzling thyme or rosemary-infused honey over roasted carrots or using it to sweeten your tea. Making this is simple. Gently warm your honey without boiling and add sprigs of your favorite herbs. Let it sit for a day or two to infuse, and voila! You have a unique, fragrant honey that will make your desserts, beverages, and even savory dishes pop with flavor. The beauty of this hack is its simplicity. You're adding a whole new layer of complexity to the sweetness of honey. This hack also works beautifully as a finishing touch on a cheese board or paired with crispy roasted meats like duck. The infusion process allows the floral notes of the herbs to bloom, creating a gourmet ingredient right in your pantry. Recap: key herb hacks to try. Freeze herbs in olive oil for quick, flavor-packed additions to your cooking. This is a simple yet effective way to preserve herbs for months while intensifying their flavor when they're added to warm dishes. Create herb-infused oils to use in dressings or as a finishing touch to your dishes. The oils lock in the rich flavors of the herbs and make it easy to elevate your meals in seconds. Herb-infused butter provides an easy way to add richness and flavor to meals. Whether it's for spreading on bread or enhancing your meats, this is a must-try. Add herbs to unexpected dishes, like desserts, for a surprising twist. The right herb can completely change how you experience both sweet and savory flavors. Herb-infused honey transforms simple ingredients into something special. Imagine the gourmet flair this can bring to your dishes or even your tea. With these easy-to-implement herb hacks, transforming your everyday meals into culinary masterpieces is within reach. Whether you're adding a frozen herb cube to a soup, drizzling herb-infused oil over roasted veggies, or surprising your guests with herb-infused honey, these hacks will elevate your cooking and delight your taste buds. The creative possibilities are endless, and the best part is, these hacks make it simple for anyone, regardless of their culinary experience, to take their dishes to the next level. Now it's your turn. Try out these herb hacks and share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear which one is your favorite. Also, tell us if you've come up with any of your own creative herb tips. We're always excited to learn new techniques. And if you're looking for more inspiration in the kitchen, be sure to watch another one of our cooking videos. There's always something new to learn and try. Let's continue exploring the magic of herbs together. Until the next one, stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, stay healthy.